If you walk around Chiang Mai, you'll notice small travel agency signs just about everywhere. These shops are packed with brochures and give off a tours available here kind of vibe. But many people, especially Japanese visitors, have no idea how to actually use them, how prices work, or what to expect. So today, using a small travel agency in the Nimman area that I personally use, I'll walk you through how these local agencies work and what to keep in mind.
These shops operate a bit differently from hotels or major travel booking sites. Basically, they display brochures from various local tour operators and act as a booking counter. The agency itself doesn't own vehicles or employ guides. Instead, once you book, they pass your reservation on to the actual tour company that runs the trip.
So rather than offering tours exclusive to that shop, you'll often find that most agencies carry very similar selections of brochures. When booking, it helps to know that there are two main types of tours available. Package tours are prearranged tours listed in brochures with fixed prices. You'll usually share the vehicle with other travelers, which keeps the cost down. Private tours, on the other hand, let you customize the itinerary, destination, and group size. Since you get a dedicated vehicle and guide, the price tends to be higher. Here's something I noticed from using these agencies myself. Prices can vary depending on the number of people and conditions. For example, I was sometimes offered a private tour rate with a condition like if you have 3 people. Being offered a private tour upgrade in the booking process isn't uncommon. In many cases, there's room to ask questions and negotiate until you're satisfied. Before accepting the quoted price, it's worth confirming exactly what's included. Here's how the booking process typically works. You browse the brochures and tell them where you'd like to go. The staff will explain the schedule and pricing. You fill in a handwritten application form, pay in advance, and on the day of the tour, a pickup will come to your hotel at the agreed time. The application form asks for basic details such as your name, passport number, accommodation, and number of people, all filled in by hand. Payment is made in advance, either by scanning a QR code using Prompt Pay or in cash. If you can communicate in English, you'll generally have no problems. For more complex discussions, a smartphone translation app can help. One important thing to know, tours booked through local agencies in Chiang Mai are conducted in English. Don't expect a Japanese-speaking guide. That's simply not something these small agencies offer. I used to use a different travel agency near Nimman, but at some point the management changed and it became a Chinese-run business. That's when I started looking for a new agency. Since I live in the Nimman area, I decided to give this nearby shop a try. What won me over was the wide variety of brochures, the reasonable pricing, and the fact that it had a perfect score on Google Maps. The shop is called Luxury Private Travel at Nimman, located along Nimman Road, right next to a 7-Eleven. It's a small shop run entirely by the owner. The service is polite and friendly. The shop has a 5.0 rating on Google Maps with multiple reviews. From the Google Maps reviews, customers have written things like pickup and drop off or perfect from start to finish, and no overcharging whatsoever. One thing I really appreciated was being able to book the day before. Being able to decide, I want to go on this tour tomorrow and have it sorted right away is a real advantage of these local agencies. I found it incredibly convenient. Also, whenever I had questions about a tour, I got a response pretty quickly. Whether it was about the destination or what was included, the answers were clear and easy to understand, which made booking feel a lot less stressful. The shop has a feel of a place that's been running for over 10 years. It's not the kind of place that's out to make a quick profit and disappear. The fact that they've been serving the local community for so long gives me confidence that they prioritize trust and operate with integrity. I personally booked 3 tours through this agency. The first was Doi Sutep Temple. I've covered that experience in detail in a separate video. You'll find the link in the description below. The second was Doi Entanan National Park. Full details are also available in a dedicated video, link in the description. And the third was a Thai cooking class. For all 3 tours, hotel pickup and drop-off were included and everything went smoothly without any issues. Local travel agencies might feel a little intimidating at first, but once you understand how they work, there's really nothing to worry about. Know the difference between package and private tour pricing. Keep in mind that there's often room to negotiate. Check Google Maps reviews before booking, and hold on to your payment records just in case. With these in mind, anyone can use these agencies with confidence. If there's a local travel agency near where you're staying, why not give it a try? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.